Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Foundation Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Foundation Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to eaccess.foundationsoft.com. It will then take you to the official website of Foundation and a employee login portal. There, enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your employee login credentials, click to sign in. From there you can access your Foundation Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to forgot password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.